All right, hey guys, I'm
Hi.
here with beautiful Dr. Kim Bruno, and this lovely lady has been to Mexico retreat a few years ago, and she's coming back. So I'm asking you, Kim, what did you get out of your Mexico retreat when you went a few years ago? What did you enjoy about it?
The thing that I think stands out the most is that it was collectively every aspect of it was there to increase our relaxation and restorativeness. And the reason I'm going back is because if you've all lived through the pandemic that I lived through and that we lived through, we all lived through it, right? Like the word we all need right now is restore.
Restore.
We need to restore. And so when you're in Mexico, it's not that you're just doing wonderful yoga. It's that you have nourishing food that's bright and vibrant and delicious, and you have the sounds of the ocean and the sounds of the jungle. And I remember when I was there, I would say that it was like outdoor ed for adults.
Yes.
Like, you know, when we went on kids, like, and it's this healing power of nature in addition to the yoga piece of it. And then just the time to be able to sit and journal and meditate and be in a hammock because you have nowhere else to go.
Yeah.
Nothing else to do.
That's
except
what
for
I
just
find
to eat wonderful food and lay in a hammock and do yoga. I mean, hello.
Yes. hello. Why else would you not go?
Right.
That's my goal, is that you get to leave your daily routine so you can take the time. Like you said, how often do we say, I want to journal, I want to read that book, and we don't make time for it.
We don't make time. And you really are the lodge that we're at is in such a beautiful setting, and you are disconnected from, you can't be like, oh well, I'll just work remotely while I'm there. Like there's not that option. There is not that option, which is a blessing, right? And you get to truly experience all those aspects and come back really a whole new person. You get to reset those adrenals. For all of my patients who need to reset their adrenals.
See, she's a doctor. She
you
knows.
all need to do it.
We need this. It's medicine. So what would you say, and she's coming back. This is how she knows. She's coming back in February 2022. So the biggest thing, I think, for moms, or just women who have jobs or they have to organize, especially in your case, we have moms, it takes time. What would you say, like, and also it's an expense, it's an investment. How would you say to tell someone it's worth the investment and it's worth arranging childcare so you can make this?
Because I would say you can't pour from an empty cup. And so if you do not fill your cup first, you cannot be there for your family, your job, the people around you. And so we've all sacrificed over the last 18 months a lot of our mental health. A lot of women have been, working from home, schooling from home, doing all of these things. And you have to refill yourself and this is the best, most concentrated way to do it. Like, yes, you can start a meditation practice, you can start going to yoga on a weekly basis, but to really hit the reset button, it is absolutely worth the expense. It's worth the writing out a binder full of activities so that everybody knows what to do. And I always say, like, when I go away, I have to kind of unleash the masses of 5 people to take care of what I would do, right? It's not just my husband, but it's like the grandparents and it's the neighbors and it's the carpool and it's all these things. And it's like, you got to take the time to arrange it. But in order for you to hit the reset button and come back to be a stronger, more present person, I think that it's absolutely worth it.
That's wonderful. Yeah. Thank you. I'm so glad you're coming back. That's wonderful.
Yes.
Thanks. Yes. Awesome. All right.
All right. We'll see you there, February.